so I haven't done a video in a bit. But anyways, oh, why shouldn't my Visual Studio Code needs to be out? That's crazy. But anyways, so I was in computer science class today, and I genuinely think we might have found the insufferable one. Like, okay, let me give some color. All the leaving cert computer science questions are piss easy. Like, even studying Python for like a good 2 months as an entire beginner, you could actually speed run the entire paper. Like, for me, I can speed run 4 papers in around 42 minutes, which is my time record. However, this question is actually so insufferable. Like, it made me realize that I am so glad that when I become a software engineer when I'm older, that I'm just gonna be prompt engineering and fucking wasting all my cloud credits on some dumb shit. But anyways, so this question is basically it implies concepts that you must have learned, but it applies in a crazy concept. If you haven't done your out 2 project, if you didn't learn your out 2 project, you might as well just wrap it up. You just might as well accept the fate that your paper C is getting 0 marks. And this isn't even an official leaving cert. This is from DEB. Um, let me it's from this website. I'm not. Listen, DEB, if you're watching this video, don't sue me or something, bro. But this is crazy. This is some. And just so you know, this is also from Lucan. Of course, it comes from this place. But anyhow, this question is so unbearable. The logic to this question is so simple, right? But the problem about it, it's just so awkward. It's actually just genuinely awkward. And you know what? I didn't even get this finished, and I started at half 3. And 30 minutes in, I got around to nearly like part 3 of the fucking question. Like, listen, Alt2 analytics where you have to read the file. If you haven't learned how to do that in Python yet, and you're doing this question, I'm just telling you, you might as well wrap it up, bro. Like, you actually might as well wrap it up. And I haven't even finished the question, so we're gonna finish it here and now. But this actually might just be the insufferable one. Like, this actually might just be the insufferable one. Because, like, this was an actual mock paper question given in my school in 2022. I don't even know how they messed this up. Like, how, like, do you not look at the paper, bro, and just realize what is this question? What actually is going on here? But anyways, I'm gonna clone the repository from GitHub and we're gonna start. Yo, did I just leak all my shit? I just leaked all my repositories linked on my drive, bro. Anyways, peep the new Visual Studio Code. Anyways, first of all, we don't want to use Claude. Now, you're gonna be like, Adam, why aren't you using Tawny? You're meant to use fuck Tawny, bro. This question, like, okay, listen, I could do this in Tawny, but this question is just so uncomfortable, bro. Like, of course, it's good being uncomfortable, but this question is just insufferable. Like, I don't even like this question. This question is boring. Matter of fact, this question is dumb. And if you look at the data set we're given, you can already tell this question is going to be fucked. This question is going to be terrible. And 58 lines, by the way. 58 lines. But anyhow, I don't even know where I left off. I'm going to be 100. And just so you know, I haven't checked the sample answer. On my soul, I haven't checked the sample answer. But we are going to go to the PDF. And I was looking, right? This gives me paper A, B, and C, right? And I was looking in the theory, right? And there's like things in the thing, like cumulative outcome. What? I'm so lost. I'm actually so lost. But anyhow, let's just get to the question, shall we? Okay, here we go. So we've done this. We've done this. No, we haven't. We haven't even got that far yet, bro. What? So let's run this code and see what we're looking at. Yeah, so we're getting 135 words, and I don't know why. Oh my god. Wait, I know why. Wait, yeah?
Did you eat it?
Yeah, most of it, yeah, why?
Okay.
You okay? Anyways, sorry, I'm back. But anyways, I know why. Like, I figured out why. So, we're counting by the word, and we need to ignore the first one. So let's do that, shall we? So for line, also, if you don't know, this is a really good tip. I don't even think this is mentioned on the Python reference guide. Matter of fact, I'm gonna check that if it's referenced on the Python reference guide. We have a thing in our teams where it tells you the code stuff. CS25. Microsoft's gotten really slow. I won't even lie. Where's the reference guide? Okay, here's the reference guide. Can I show this reference guide? Am I leaking anything? I'm not leaking anything. Okay. We're looking for a num, right? But I was actually curious. Do they show it in the reference guide? Can this even search up? They don't show enumerate. Okay, that's interesting. But enumerate basically just allows you to identify the index. So look, if I just also why is that like that? No, that gets on my nerves, bro. Let me just also the code base is a mess. I don't even care anymore. Like if this was some easy question, I would have made sure the code is squeaky clean. But this is actually getting on my nerves, bro. Like let's see, what are we looking for? Oh yeah, I want to show you guys the index function. What index tells you. Index basically just tells us, it just gives us the position we are in the list. So that's kind of it. So what I'm gonna do here is right, is, watch this. This is smart. This is some smart thing, you know. So if wait no, actually no, I'm gonna make this global. Wait, so if I do that, that means I won't need this be compensated anymore. So if index equals 0, return. No, 0 0. No. Pass. Else if else. Why did I spell else like that? What? Let me just fix the indentations. Okay, in theory this should fix it. First I need to make sure this line count stuff still works. Yeah, okay, that works. Global count. What was the global? Oh my god, did I just leak all my shit? No, I didn't. Okay. Global count was 130. Okay, we've gotten 19 lines, 130 words, and characters. Whew, how are we gonna measure characters? That's actually a good one. That is a good question. That is an amazing question. Okay, I actually have an idea. I have a good idea. Just give me a second, guys. Let me get rid of all this shit here. So if I do print, okay, I don't need count. Okay. Just make sure that this is okay, 19 words. Okay, all we gotta do now is count all the letters. So let's create a function to do that. Count letters. I'm gonna do the same line method. Integer. Print line just for a second. Alright, there we go. We just fixed a ton of errors. Do global letter count. Letter count. equals 0. So now if we just go to that account, okay. So if we just call this function if line clear lines, oh yeah, that's fine. So and line words count. Actually, wait, we don't even need a variable for this. Count words, count letters, and line. Okay, perfecto. So basically, we're just gonna pass in the same check here. But this time, wait, I want to get rid of these. I want to disable these prints for a second. I don't know how people are meant to do this in an hour. I won't even lie, bro. This kind of some crazy shit. For line in words, if word equals new line. For line in words, oh yeah. For line in, wait, what? Let me just try something real quick. I just want to see what this prints. I'm so fried today, bro. Wait, this could be meta. Wait, this might just be meta. Wait. If line equals. Oh wait. Oh wait. Wait, there's new lines. If. Oh my god. Wait, no. Why is there new lines? There's new lines. So how are we just gonna get out? Can I just, I'll fix it, right? Yeah, I'll fix it. Okay. I want this as a tuple, so then this is so intuitive. I don't even lie. For letter in lines, if letter equals if letter equals or actually no, if letter equals or letter equals wait, what? Oh, that's why. If you're not gonna fuck up me, right? Wait, how do I do that again, bro? Wait, I'm not tweaking. Oh, wait, no, that. Or, wait, I'm so fried right now. Wait, hold on. Wait, no. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me, gang. How did I do that last time? If. Okay, buddy. We're just gonna match it. Match. Case. Pass. Case. Pass. Wait, I want to make sure that's the correct Unicode. Just paste you in. You notice how that's different? No, they're different. That's what I hate, bro. Case. Pass. Case. Are we missing any words? Oh, dot. Pass. Are we missing any? Exclamation mark. Case. Pass. Case. Unless it's asking for these, that's the problem. It doesn't let you know if it's asking for that. And this is where it gets on my nerves. Pass. Exclamation mark. Case. Pass. Then edge case. Edge case. Global layer count. Global layer count. This one. Print. Global layer count. Yo, wait, we might have just, okay, wait, hold on, let me just replace all of you real quick. Yo, what are we missing, bro? What are we missing? Like, what? I'm so lost. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 9. Okay. Let's figure this out. Let's figure this out together, guys. How much characters is there? How much characters is there? What? How much were we looking for? Yeah, I won't lie, ChatGPT, I don't know how you're messing up like that, bro. What character? What are we missing? Okay, wait, what if I just exclude match and then I just do the global count anyways, without the match? What was that indent, bro? Yo, wait, what if it's because of that? Yo, what are we missing, bro? What? What? Okay. That's how I'm gonna fix it. There we go. I don't care. I don't care. We were 2 off, and I don't even care what we were missing. It could have just been a Unicode issue at the end of the day. Letter count. Global. Letter count. So it's asking. Okay. Hint. I didn't even see that hint. I don't even lie. What? Are we so dead ass? I did all that work. For that. 4, 8, 12, 16. Bro. You can't be so serious with me right now, bro. I did all that work for nothing, bro. For nothing, bro. Just for it to tell me that I'm gonna have to remove. Yo, remind me if we ever do the dead mock, bro. Like, what? This shit is insane. I don't even need these prints. What am I doing? They are. This is actually the most insufferable exam I've ever done. There are 19 lines, 132 words. Don't play with me, bro. Where are we getting 2 extra words from? What? Is it because of that? It has to be because of that, right? Okay. Okay, bro. Okay. It doesn't even matter, bro. You know, we still have to fucking, what you call it? We still have to get rid of the space lines. I just want to see something real quick. Why are we airing? Oh, that's why. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you, bro. I'm gonna be honest. You do not need to be printing anymore, by the way. The hell? Okay. This is what I'm gonna do. If line equals new line, or if line equals just pass, bro. Yo, don't play with me, gang. Like what? Okay, yo, wait, yo, I'm about to lose it. I'm about to lose it. It's still capturing. Oh, what? Let me just p-print you so I can get full context. Wait, I'm so confused though, because we are checking. Okay, wait, what? Might just have to be. It does not have to be in that format. Why am I on that? Oh, I know why. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. That's insane. This isn't one of words. I don't even know where we're missing the characters from, bro. Like, bro. Oh, I guess, bro. I guess. It'd be. It would be nice to search the poem for a particular word and to know its location. They're so cruel. I don't even lie. They are so cruel. Like, what do you mean? I thought this was the last question. I won't even lie. But you're telling me you want to. I mean, like, that's not even that hard. Like, essentially, what you want to do is read lines, then compare. So you put two lists and then just enumerate and then check the index between both lists and then just set them equal to, and then that's your if statement right there. But this one. Okay. Okay, that actually might not even be that bad. Search. If word. Actually, no, I don't even want. You don't even need if statement for that. So what we're gonna do? So yeah, so like clean lines. Yeah, so like okay. Why are you airing, bro? Okay, Python, stay on, bro. Just why? Where are we get? Oh, never mind. That's fine. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do location equals search line word equals integer. Please enter a word to search. Excuse me. And then hint lines equals wait, yeah, okay, complete lines. And then so what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically go for line and clean lines, print line. Just give me a second. Wait, what? No. Okay, wait, I'm gonna just call it UC out real quick, because I don't even know where that error is coming from. Integer gone, unexpected keyword. Oh, what? Wait, why is that inting? What? Oh my god. Yo! I put integer instead of input, bro. It's actually bad. It's actually raps, bro. It's actually raps. Unmatch. What? Oh. Oopsie doopsies. Yeah, tell me the word for, okay, where is that print statement? Who is printing the entire poem? Oh, that's me? My fault, gang. My fault. Okay, I'm sorry. For enumerate. If word in line turn line number. Okay, so in theory, last line is word path. The last line. Where's the last line? Yeah, you're meant to come with me for a sec. You're gonna come down here for a sec. And then we also have to print the word oh oh my god, bro. Like can't even complain. Like, I should have seen that beforehand. I don't wanna lie. The word was found in line location. This should work. So if I just search up that, yo. Oh shit, what? Oh, my fault. Yeah, so Berchacho, I'm just gonna +1 you because I'm not gonna figure out what's going on there. The word 14 was found in less none. Was found in. Actually, I should do an if statement. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do an if statement. I'm just gonna ignore that. It's found in less 14. Wow, shabam. Finally, guys. Wait, how long have I been recording? I've been recording for 29 minutes, guys. Like, I would have been up by now. So, do I do this or do I bother? Do I do this or do I bother? Let me see how different this is, I guess. I mean, where are you in? It's not even there. What? I don't even have a file called Al Shelley. Okay. So after 83 lines of code, 1 hour, and 3 hours of procrastination later, we now have it done. So after 1 hour, because 30 minutes here and 30 minutes in school, and then 6 hours of procrastination, we have it done. Let's look at the American scheme. Yeah, I won't even lie. I may have overcomplicated it or just done too much. I won't even lie. Oh, what? Let me run this and see. Okay. Why is Claude open, bro? Why are you opening? Shit doesn't even work, bro. Okay. It's because it's not relative. I suppose, bro. What? Yeah, so the sample answer doesn't even fucking work. I say none, bro. Say none. Say none, bro. Like, what? Bro, we can't be serious right now. We actually can't be serious. That reminds me, my string splicing shit is dumb. Where's that Len? Did I even do this in this question? I can't remember. But I remember doing this somewhere. And you don't have to. You can just use -1. So let me just double check. Yeah, so you could just use -1, buddy. Bleh. Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot. Fucking idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Yeah, so that's my code fix, guys. Give me a random word. Or. Alright, say that. Oh. Yeah, so just so you guys know, like, the sample answer sucks. Whoever made that, I'm not even gonna do this question. Like, I could do this. This is so obviously easy, and there's not even another one called Out Shelley, unless I'm fucking like blind. There's literally not. There's literally not another one in there. Let me look at the American scheme. Let me look at this dumb shit, bro. Yeah, so I want you. Well, what is 19 Mars, gang? I'm so confused. Okay. What? Wait, did I miss? Wait, am I tweaking? This is not what I just coded, bro. Like, what? Yo. Oh. This American scene sucks. What? Wait, I'm so confused. Wait, what? There's like 2 years. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so I won't even lie. That's a lot of. Yeah, I won't even lie. Like, my one is quite long. Okay, bro. That's our daily reminder that DEB sucks. You should just work with Pica, bro. So I'm gonna do a quick plug. So thanks for watching my video. You should check out our company out. We're actually working on some crazy shit. So I'll give a sneak peek, but we're working on our own exam generator. You can make your own leave insert papers straight out of the box. It's not gonna be AI slop where and it's not going to be like study clicks either, where you just make exams from past questions and then call it a day. No, this shit is fully new. This shit is questions you've never seen before, but it's not as hard as whatever the fuck this question was anyways. But you can make it hard if you want. If you want a challenge, yeah, you could. This shit runs on the latest models, by the way. I'm not gonna tell you which model it runs on because like that's like trade secrets kind of type of thing. Um, it does it does a really cool way to do it. It allows you to test your concepts because you only have, in theory, you only have like around 10 if you do include ordinary level. But if you're just doing higher level, which most of you probably are gonna do, you only have like around 5 practice question papers, and then if you want the mocks, you're just gonna have to get asked your teacher, bro. Like, but no one's gonna do that. Let's be so real with it. But yeah, so this free solution, free by the way, matter of fact, it's entirely free. Yeah, you're gonna be able to make your shit, and it's gonna come with. By the way, it's gonna come with its own mark scheme. And don't be like, oh, it's AI slop, Adam. It's just you're just gonna click a button and generate AI slop. No, this is not AI slop, bro. I'm a hater of AI slop. Matter of fact, bro, AI slop just pisses me off. Like, um, this is a video for another day, though. This is a video for another day. But AI slop is so insufferable, just like that question. Um, but yeah, fuck AI slop. Matter of fact, um, but yeah, you should definitely check our shit out. We'll open up eventually at some given amount of time. We're taking it slow. We're not like Cursor or whatever. We didn't spend a week building, vibing our shit. We're actually working building this shit from the ground up and call it something of our own. This isn't a vibe code project where you look at the readme and you can tell that this shit was instantly done by Claude. Yeah, of course we're using Claude, but we're not vibing our shit out straight away, bro. We're building this shit up, quality controlling it, and everything, bro. You like if you're interested, just let me know because I want to add people to the focus group and get shit tested once it comes. Yo, what the fuck did I just click on my mouse to get out of that, bro? That was cool. I won't even lie. Yo, wait, is that tech? That's so tech. Wait, wait. Okay, let me just put it in random. Wait, is this tech? That is so tech. GC greatest common divisor. Ready? Tech. Okay, wait. So let's say you're searching up the Marlowe situation right now. Right? Let's go to the Marlowe YouTube page. Okay? Yo, I won't even lie. Yo, this shit has a 1.2 million. If y'all don't even know about the Marlowe situation, like y'all motherfuckers live under a rock. Like this shit is like everywhere. But let's say you're checking the Marlowe situation out. Okay, matter of fact, let's go in the video. Yo, is that Bet Casino? Is that a Bet Casino? No, it's not. What the fuck is this ad, bro? This is AI stuff. This is straight AI. I don't believe that a real human thought is sick. Nah, this is actually not AI. I swear this can't be AI. This is actually a tough ad though. I don't even lie. Okay. Okay, let's say like you're watching. Is that It's Real? No, that is not It's Real. Okay, let's say you're watching shit and then like your parents come in. Yo. Nah, I didn't even realize that, bro. Okay. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's say you're doing that. All you have to do is just spam click your mouse and then look. Is that tech? That is kind of techy. Cause like, what if you have nothing to alt tab to? Like, but bro. Anyways, back to the topic at hand, bro. Like, I won't even lie. Let's rate that paper. What should we rate that paper? That paper was 9 out of 10. It was good fun, you know. It was actually good fun, but it was so insufferable. Actually, matter of fact, I'm searching this up. 2022 Deb talks. 2022 leaving cert Deb mock talks. I want to see. Wait, do people actually? Wait. Oh, I'm so stupid. Computer science Deb mock. Wait. That's another problem I realized. And that's another thing we're gonna introduce actually. Matter of fact, hey Helios, initialize note clipping software. I'm making an AI assistant that works on my phone, by the way. But anyways, another thing is we're gonna have a community forums, bro. Like, okay, listen, you have Reddit. Reddit's kind of muddy. You have random Discord servers. Half of these Discord servers are, I'm telling you, they're like grooming fronts, bro. Like, we need a centralized platform where people for computer science can discuss with other motherfuckers. Because right now, the state of computer science in this country is so cooked, bro, bro, and it's growing. We started at around 700. Now we have 3K. Check the Central Statistics Office, bro. You check that shit and you realize this shit is growing. But then again, you also realize there's a demographic. Well, it's not a demographic. What's the word? Geographic. There's a geographic in this country where computer science is inaccessible just due to poor funding. And matter of fact, some teachers are shit. I don't even like. I'm fortunate. My teacher, peeps to him. I'm not gonna mention his name. Can't talk that much for. But I'm just saying like he's the goat. I'm not trying to glaze. But anyway, I need to stop yapping because like, looky. Yo, I have a business test tomorrow. Wait. Wait, let me check. Let me check this shit. Human capital management. Yeah, wallahi, I'm cooked. Yoo! Human capital management. Yo! Importance of community. Okay, I won't lie. That's an easy, fair topic. But human capital chapter 20. Anyone in the new leaving cert business, y'all realize this shit is so cooked. This course is cooked, bro. Like, I don't even know what to do for my project. I'm gonna be 100. I'm gonna be 100 with you. I'm so cooked. I'm actually cooked. This is kind of tough. This is how many slides is this? 55. Fuck. Yo. Alright. Okay. Listen. Thank you for watching my video. I know this was probably also insufferable in itself, but thank you. Goodbye. I'm gonna study for my shit now.